Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do Mediterranean style chicken breasts, okay? We're going to marinate them for 30 minutes. And we're going to grill them. They're going to be phenomenal, okay? So we're going to start with 2 large chicken breasts. Now these I bought them thin sliced already, so they're pretty much even already, as you can tell. If they're not even, just put them in the plastic bag, cover them up with a little bit of olive oil, and kind of give them a little hit there, a little bang. Get them nice and thin. All right. So for this, we're gonna have Greek yogurt. We're going to have Italian seasoning that I have here, but you can use oregano. I have salt, pepper. I got minced garlic, olive oil, lemons, and of course the chicken breasts. Okay, this is simple, it's delicious, and it's, trust me, I've done this for like a long time now, and I am loving it more every time. Okay, so we're gonna start with the yogurt, okay, to make the marinade. We're gonna start with a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, something like that. 1/3 cup. Then we're going to go ahead and put some olive oil. This is going to be a 1/4 cup of olive oil, just like that. We're going to do 2 lemons. If you like it extra lemony, you can do a little more, but I found that 2 is a sweet spot here for me. It's 2 lemons. Okay, so we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. All right, put that right in there. We have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. We're gonna have here 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic. All right. We'll give it a mix in here. All right, to the side, grab your chicken. We'll place them right in there. Make sure they're completely soaked in and out here. Give them a quick little stir like that. Flip it. There. All right, wash your hands real quick. All right, now we're gonna cover this marinated chicken with some plastic wrap. This thing sucks. There you go. We're gonna let them marinate for about 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes, it's actually perfect. You could do more, but I found that 30 minutes is right at the sweet spot, especially when you're doing this last minute. You don't have to do it the day before, you know? You can just do it literally an hour before you're trying to eat. So we'll put this to the side, and now we're gonna go ahead and start getting the grill going, all right? All right, we'll do some charcoal now. Put it in the grill. That's good enough. I like making the chicken with some charcoal instead of gas. It gives it a little extra flavor. I'm gonna use a little bit of light fluid here to get it going. All right, it's gonna bring up some heat, but move that real quick before we cause a fire. It's gonna create some flame. Not to worry, it's gonna come back down soon. It's just so that all the liquid evaporates. So we'll keep that going there for about 10 minutes. Until it turns a little gray. dang hot. You can't hold your hand here for longer than 5 seconds because it's really, really hot. You can see the red in there. You're good to go. Now, I brought the chicken out here. And I've also got a paper towel here with some avocado oil, neutral oil. Just so I can brush it on the grill there and get it nice and lubricated. That way nothing gets stuck in there, okay? So here we go. Nice with that. And I'm gonna put it right in there. Okay. Here comes the chicken. Put this down. Just like that. And put it in the hottest part. I'm gonna put one of them right there. The other one right there. All right, have it back up. We're gonna let it sit there for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, we're gonna flip them. Another 8 minutes, we'll take them out, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we're good to go ahead and eat. Looking good. We'll give them a flip here. Oh, perfect. Nice caramelization on that chicken. Another 8 minutes, and we're good to go. Perfect. You can feel it. They're good to go. First plate. The second plate. We'll get uncovered. All right, like I said before, rest for 10 minutes. Then we'll cut open and see how tender they are. Chicken is here. We're gonna cut in to see how it looks. Look at that. Juicy. No more dry chicken breast. Let's give that a try here. You can't go wrong. Italian seasoning is definitely way better than just oregano. You're gonna have this right here. I made a combination of sauteed kale and broccoli. Put a little bit of olive oil there with some garlic. Toss these in, put some salt on top, saute for a little bit. You're good to go. Really easy, simple. It's delicious. At the end, before you take them off, squeeze a lemon in it, or half a lemon, depending on what you like, and enjoy. Cheers, guys. See you next time.